Hello guys and welcome back to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Magic Compose on Google Messages app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. Here we are going to follow the Google Messages Help Center article, and here we are going to exactly learn how we can use this Magic Compose feature. So simply, you will be able to get your message suggestions by clicking on the suggestion icon that will be showing like this on your messaging area. So if you go to your Google Messages app, you will need just to go to any conversation, and from there you will find your texting area that will be showing at the bottom. There you will find this icon that will be showing like that. Then you can click on it. After that, you will be needing to edit your message or to type the message that you want to be composing. And here in the Android or the Google Messages website, we will see how it is looking like as feature. You will be typing something, and then it will you will give it some temper or you will give it some style, and then it will start composing the message on the style that you want. Either you want it to be chill, excited, or any other style. After that, it will be composing your video, I mean your messages, and if it is the desired result, you will be needed to simply click on uh, send. That means you will need just to tap send, and you will have your message that will be sent correctly using the Magic Compose styling or the Magic Compose messages. And you can also have like your message rewrite suggestions as we have found, and it will be simply like that. You will need just to use the Magic Compose feature on the Google Messages, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.